What's up, guys? Today we are going to do an unboxing of the new Parrot Mambo drone that we just picked up for Anthony's birthday. It's Anthony's birthday. Happy sixth birthday, Anthony.
Thanks.
So right now we're going to do an unboxing.
It has a grabber right there.
Can you hold the camera for a second like
Okay.
this? Just hold it on there.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna open this up real quick with a knife. Very gently. Don't want to cut myself. All right. So here we go. This is.
Oh, it comes with
No.
Orbeez. Comes with Orbeez.
Yes, it comes with a cannon that shoots the little balls, which would be kind of fun.
What is this thing?
This is the battery that we're gonna have to charge.
And this is the grabber.
For the battery.
Look, that looks like a Lego, right?
Right. I have to get this thing out of the box. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Unfortunately, my tripod just broke.
Want me to hold it?
Yeah, sure. So we are going to get this out of here. Oh, this must be the cannon that shoots the balls, I think.
There's it.
And it comes with a USB charger. There we go.
Little Orbeez. Little Orbeez. Here's the Orbeez.
And this must be the grabber.
Yeah, that's the grabber.
Looks like it connects almost with Lego pieces. If you kind of look at that, looks almost like a Lego piece that connects to it. It's kind of cool.
You can.
This is the grabber. That's going to be kind of cool.
It's like use this.
And here is the drone. So we're going to get this guy out of here and start setting her up.
We're then about to charge it.
We have to charge her up. But this is the new Parrot Mambo drone that we just picked up. You should make it go higher. Whoa.